Hello, my name is Keith Hall, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about two different functions within Power BI. They are DAX functions, and we're going to be combining both the LEFT function and the search function. So the end result of this is we're going to be going to a specific table or a customer's table. And what we want to do is we want to take the customer address and we just want to extract the number from the address itself and create a new column for that. So we're going to basically take the first few characters up to the first space in the address, and we're going to extract that and put that into a new column. So let's learn the syntax of these functions, and then we're going to create the actual function itself and create the column. So let's go back to the report view. So right here, the LEFT function in Power BI, it's going to return the X number of characters from the leftmost character in the text string. And the syntax for the function is you're going to type in left, and the two arguments are the text that we're looking for, and then the number of characters that we're going to extract. So the text is a required argument, and it specifies the text string from which we want to extract the characters from. It can be a reference to a text column in a table or a literal string value enclosed in quotation marks. Now, the number of characters argument, this is the required argument, and it specifies the number of characters you want to extract from the beginning of the text string. So now the search function, what this does is it helps you find the starting position of a specific string, okay, or character within another string, text string, and it is case sensitive. So the syntax for the search function is the first argument is to find text. We're gonna find the text within a certain text, and then the two optional arguments to this is the start number and not found. So let's go in more detail on what this is. The first argument is to find text, and it's required. And it says that the text string that you want to locate within another string. So in our case, we're going to look for the first space that happens within the customer address. And you could use wildcards like matches any sequence of characters and a question mark, which matches any single character for partial matches. So we're not going to be using wildcards today. The second argument is within text, and it is required. This is the text string where you want to perform this search. So we're going to be looking for the first space within the customer address. So that's what the second argument is going to be. And now the third argument, which is optional, it specifies the character position within the text where the search should begin. In our case, we're going to search from the first position, but there are cases where you want to go to the 10th character in a text string and start your search from that point. And the last argument, which is optional, this is basically specifies a value to be returned if the search text is not found. Okay. And then what does the search function return? It basically returns an integer representing the starting position of the first occurrence of the find text within the within text argument. And if the search text is not found, it returns the value specified in the not found argument or an error if it's not provided. So basically, this is the function that we're going to be building. We're going to create a column called house number, and we're going to be creating that within our customers table up here in the upper right-hand corner. So let me go ahead and copy this so I can paste it in here. Control C. Now we're going to highlight the customers table here up in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to be creating a calculated count. So we're going to create a new column. Okay, up here in the bar, formula bar, I'm just going to paste that in. And then I'm going to press enter. Went ahead, since I didn't get any errors back, that means I didn't have any errors within this formula, and it went ahead and created a column. So, quick overview. What I just did was I created a calculated column called house number in the customers table, and if you come down here, you can see that it was created. Now, let's start from the inside out. So basically, the search function is going to search the customer's address field for the first occurrence of a blank that it sees, because this argument right here, number one, that means it's going to start from the first character within this field, and it's going to start searching for this. Once it finds that, it's going to return a number. And that number is basically where did that blank first occur. So now we're going to come back over here to the left function, and we're going to take the customer address, and it's going to take the result of this search function, and it's going to provide that number, whatever it may be, and it's going to return that number of characters starting from the left position of the customer address field. So let's go over to the table view. And here's the customer address. So let's say in this case, it found the space at the fifth character. So it's going to be, basically, it's going to return the first 4 characters of this field and return it over to here, which is, it returns a house number. And if you scroll down, you could see that some fields are only 3 characters long. So if we come over here and come over to the customer address table, you could see that it works no matter how many, where the space is, the first occurrence of the space. It's going to start from that position, and it's going to return the leftmost characters for that. So hopefully this gave you an idea how you could use the LEFT DAX function and the search function together to come up with a desired end result. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Please like and share this video, and as always, please subscribe to this channel so you can always get updated on new videos when they are uploaded. Thanks again, and have a great day.